my gosh, my hair is still dirty. And this is my naked hair. The sun is playing. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. As you see, my hair is looking crazy right now. I just washed my hair and my hair is naked, no products, no butters, no cream, nothing. I'm gonna do some medium twists because I'm doing the 90-day challenge and I don't wanna do wash and goes during this challenge. So I'm gonna twist my hair. I'm gonna do a side part, of course. So I did my side part and now I'm gonna section the hair in 4. So I'm gonna take a section, not too small and not too big, just a medium section. I'm gonna spritz it a little bit with water. The weather in Holland is crazy and I should know better because Holland is like, do you want sun, do you want wind, do you want snow? Make up your mind. So you want to start with a medium size section, not too small, not too big, unless you want to do small twist or big twist, but I'm choosing a medium size section. So I'm going to start with water because water is a curly girl best friend. Next step, you want to use a leave-in conditioner or a cream. I'm going to use the BB Curl Style Defining Cream by Bumble and Bumble. But choose whatever products you want to use. And I'm going to leave all the details in the description box, okay? I'm also going to use my homemade shea butter mix. Oil. And the reason why I'm using a cream and then my butter is because the cream is a little bit thinner and slippery and I need the slip. My butter is not that slippery. And mind you, this is not for a twist out. This is just a style for the upcoming week. For a twist out, I would only use water and my butter or a cream. But because this is my style for the week, I use enough products. The twists in the front are a little bit smaller than in the back because I want a fuller look in the front. So I am finished. I'm gonna let these air dry, and as I've mentioned, this is my style for the week, so I will not take them out maybe on Sunday or the end of the week, but during the week I will leave the twist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.